Dismissed parking tickets landing a former Jackson County judge in hot water. Thanks for joining us this afternoon, everyone. I'm AJ Hilton. James Justin was kicked off the bench last January and faces 4 felonies for allegedly dismissing parking tickets for his wife and others. Lindsay Veramis reports.
Sitting as defendant, former Jackson County District Judge James Justin listened as a state prosecutor laid out the circumstances of the tickets that got him here.
Did anybody ever question that?
A court administrator testified that Justin dismissed tickets without a hearing or notice to the prosecutor. She said it was not procedure, but he had power as a judge. Also testifying, the staff attorney for the Judicial Tenure Commission, Glenn Page. He was the one who investigated Justin back in spring of 2010. Page told the court he spent weeks going through hundreds of Justin's files and found a pattern with people close to the judge.
Yeah, when I was going through these dismissals, I came across a ticket for Kim Justin, and I asked Ms. Bates, is this the judge's address? Who is Kim Justin?
Of the 4 tickets Justin is charged with dismissing, 2 were issued to his wife. One for speeding in 2009, the other for an equipment malfunction in 2006. Prosecutors say Justin admitted skipping normal policy and writing off both.
And you felt her explanation was sufficient that you could just dismiss it. Answer, I guess that my understanding is that district judges have the ability to listen for explanations for traffic tickets from people who receive them, and either alter the disposition or amend the fines and costs for both.
The other 2 tickets were issued to Justin's court reporter of 7 years and another close staff member. Prosecutors say Justin canceled the court reporter's speeding violation, writing it was dismissed at the request of the officer.
You talked to the officer himself. Answer, no.
Justin's attorney argues dismissals aren't that rare. He pointed out Jackson County averages about 200 to 300 per year. In Jackson, Lindsay Veramis, Fox 47 News.
Justin's attorney and the prosecutor had no comment on the case. They will be delivering their closing arguments tomorrow. Justin has been on the bench for more than 30 years. He was first elected in 1976 and faces up to 5 years in prison and $10,000 in fines.